Let me start by saying you're one skill away from never worrying about money again. Imagine waking up to emails that say you've earned a commission, no buzz, no inventory, no stress, just smart strategies that turn clicks into cash on autopilot. If you're tired of trading time for money and want a proven shortcut to six figures, keep watching because I'm about to break down the exact affiliate marketing tactics that can change your life starting now. And so without further ado, let me introduce myself. My name is Iyabo Yawale and I'm the lead servant in House of Wisdom. House of Wisdom is what we call the Gen Z Nation because we cater strictly to the Gen Z on this channel. And one of our goals this year is to raise 100 Gen Z millionaires. And that explains why we are making these videos, to empower our Gen Z to go for gold, because we believe you can be a Gen Z millionaire this year. And so go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you are serious about your own goal of becoming a Gen Z millionaire this year, so that you can be kept in the loop as regards what we are doing per time. And we are starting the Gen Z Millionaire Challenge as part of our empowerment tools for this goal on April. It's a monthly thing, but the one for April is starting on April 2nd to April 9th, and it's gonna be on WhatsApp strictly. I'll drop the link to the WhatsApp link in the description, and you can go ahead and hit it so that you can be part of those who will be empowered to become Gen Z millionaires this year. Having said that, let's quickly dive into the video. Affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful ways to build a six-figure income stream without creating your own products. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know from starting up your first affiliate funnel to scaling your income to six figures. Now, what are you going to learn in this video? You're going to learn the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, how to choose the right affiliate programs, the best traffic sources to drive commissions, as well as high converting promotion strategies, and how to scale to six figures with automation. And so what is affiliate marketing? That is where we're going to begin. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based online business model where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. When someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale without handling inventory, customer service, or product fulfillment. How does affiliate marketing work? Basically, you're going to join an affiliate program by choosing a company that pays commissions for referrals. And so some companies pay commissions for referrals, and you're going to choose those and join them. Then get your affiliate link. This is a unique tracking link that ensures you get paid. It is unique to you. No one else can use that link to get paid. Now, promote the product. Use websites, social media, as well as ads to get clicks, and then earn your commissions, because when people click through your link and buy, you make money. So why is affiliate marketing a game changer? It has low startup costs. There is no need for a product, no need for inventory or large investment. The startup cost is low, practically zero, and so it is good for you as a beginner. Also, there is what we call scalability, whereby you can promote multiple products and increase your earnings. You're not limited to one product. You can promote as many products as you can and increase your earnings. Also, there is a passive income potential, whereby you can set up automated systems that generate sales 24/7 for you. So how do you pick the right affiliate program? How do you pick the right affiliate program? Not all affiliate programs are created equal. The key to making serious money is choosing the right products to promote. And what makes a profitable affiliate program? High commissions. Look for programs that pay 30 to 50% or more per sale, and then look for programs that offer recurring revenue. Choose products with subscription-based commissions and also proven demand. It's very important that you promote products people already want and search for. Also, look for products with long cookie duration. The longer tracking periods means more opportunities to earn. And so what are the top affiliate networks for beginners? Amazon Associates, which has a huge variety of products for low commission rates. ClickBank, which offers huge commission digital products in various niches. And then Share a Sale, which gives you access to thousands of affiliate programs. And then Partner Stack, which is great for software and SaaS products. And then CJ Affiliates, which is good for big brands and high ticket affiliate offers. Now, what are the best traffic sources for affiliate marketing? You can have the best affiliate offer in the world, but if no one sees it, you won't make money. Traffic is the key to your success. And I always say on this channel that if you've got a product to sell and no one knows about it, it's like winking in the dark. It's like winking in the dark. No one knows. You gotta put it out there. And so what are the free methods to promote? Free traffic methods which are good for organic growth? YouTube. Create videos reviewing or explaining affiliate product. Is good for organic growth and traffic. Also do TikTok and Instagram reels. It offers you an opportunity to make short form content and it can drive massive traffic. Also do SEO blogging, write product reviews and rank on Google for organic traffic. And then Pinterest, use high quality pins to drive traffic to affiliate links. And then Facebook groups and communities, provide value and recommend products. So what are the paid traffic methods which offer faster growth? And so you can do Facebook and Instagram ads whereby you target specific audiences to promote your offers. You can also make Google ads which appear at the top of search results for high intent buyers. And you can also do YouTube ads whereby you drive clicks with the engaging video ads. And then you can also do native ads like Taboola and Outbrain, which blend ads into popular websites. So what are some of the high converting affiliate promotion strategies? Now that you have traffic, let's focus on conversion, that is turning clicks into commissions. The strategy, the first one is the bridge page method. Now, a bridge page is a simple web page that warms up visitors before sending them to an affiliate offer. And so instead of sending traffic directly to an affiliate link, which often gets ignored, you build trust first. For example, a landing page with a free PDF or video explaining the product benefits before you now send them to the affiliate offer works best. And then strategy number 2 is the email marketing funnel. Affiliate marketing works best when you collect emails and build relationships with potential buyers. And so the first step is offer a free lead magnet. It can be an ebook, a checklist, or mini course in exchange for an email. Also, send automated follow-up emails with value and affiliate recommendations. And thirdly, convert leads into buyers over time. The third strategy for promotion is a content marketing machine. That's what we call the content marketing machine. Now, instead of spamming links, create high quality content that educates and entertains your audience. And an example is, instead of just promoting a skincare product, create a best skincare routine for clear skin video or blog post and include your affiliate links. It's a smart way to promote while still offering value to your buyers. Now, how do you scale to 6 figures and beyond? Once you start earning commissions, it's time to scale up and increase your earnings. Advanced scaling strategies: outsource and automate, have virtual assistants or use AI tools to handle content creation and marketing. And also leverage retargeting ads. Now, these are ads that you show to people who have visited your website but didn't buy. To leverage retargeting ads and then expand to multiple platforms. Diversify your traffic sources to avoid dependence on one platform. It's not good to depend on one platform. What if you're banned from that platform? And then also promote high ticket offers. Earn $500 to $1,000 per sale instead of just $5 to $50 per sale. And also build a personal brand. Position yourself as an authority in your niche. Now, what is your affiliate marketing success plan? Pick a profitable affiliate program. Choose a traffic source. It can be YouTube, TikTok, SEO, whatever. Then set up a high converting promotion strategy and then automate with email marketing and content systems. And last but not the least, scale to 6 figures by optimizing and expanding. Ready to start? Take action today and build your path to a 6-figure affiliate business. So what struck you the most in this video? Do let me know in the comments. And also hit the subscribe button to become a member of the House of Wisdom community, where we are raising 100 Gen Z millionaires in 2025. And the big question is, will you be one of them? If you want to be one of them, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can be in the loop as regards our Gen Z Millionaire Challenge, which is coming up on April 2nd to April 9th, 2025. We are going to be on WhatsApp, whereby there are going to be mindset revamping sessions. There are going to be millionaire maker tips, entrepreneurship training, and things that will empower the Gen Z to be able to stand on their own and become millionaires this year. And so hit the subscribe button to be notified, and also share this video with a friend and like it. Don't go without liking this video, because liking the video makes YouTube know the kind of content to show you. It enables YouTube to show you more of our content. And so go ahead and like the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I love you.